So let's continue to implement the iterator. So one thing we need to assert is that when get is called, the current position from the iterator should not be a null. So let's assert that position is not null pointer. When iterator is created at the very beginning with no assignment yet, then it becomes a null pointer. So let's assert, validate that. And then next one is that let's move through the link. So that is done through next function is you can move the position to the next one through the link. And then previous function is going backwards. So let's implement list iterator next function. So next function, this function actually changes the post value, so it cannot be const, just a regular function. It's there. So it cannot be const. So what we do is assert that position is not null pointer. If currently this is pointing to nothing, then we cannot move through the link. Otherwise, we can move to the next node. List iterator, previous, going backwards, is if position is null PTR. So when do we have such cases that if the iterator has passed the very last node, then which no, it could be null. So once the iterator object is created, it will be assigned to a container, and then the position value null pointer is a special case. That is, if pos is past the tail, then so what it means is that if you are currently at the tail, and then if you move next, that it becomes a null pointer. Then what we need to do is a position is a container tail. What it means is the position is one past the last node. So going previous means the tail node. That's the meaning of this one. So we have a private access error. So container is a list type, and then we need to give a list iterator as a friend. Friend class list iterator. Then the tail access should be allowed. Otherwise, we simply go previous node, position previous is there. So now we can move around through the link next or previous. So in main program, we have 1 and 99. So let me just give some more data. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. So that's the order. Then N1 gets IT the next, move to the next node, then get, move to the next node, get, and the like. Then let's do one more time. Since we have a 4 data, so let's compile the program and start debug, and then let's check those values. Here, step over, get is 4. So front is, so the data we have is a 4, 3, 2, 1. So first get is a 4. Now we are moving to next, and then get, we get 3. Next, in the get, we get 2, next and get, we get 1. So using next function, we moved through the link. Then this is the last node. So it next. Now we are very end of the, we passed the last node. But if I do prev, then we go back to the tail node. So this is a tail node there. And then previous get, and then prior to the tail, and so on. So let's test this code. Make start debug step over 1 is the very last node, the 4321. Then it's past the last tail, the previous. Now we go back, come back to the tail, and then there's a 1, and then becomes 2. So we are going backwards using prev function call.